channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I get my summer skin look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a tutorial on how I do my skin for the summertime. It's nice and tan and dewy. I am obviously not a tan girl, so I like to give my face a little color during the summertime without going out into the sunlight because I'm a vampire. If you want to see how I get my summer skin, then go ahead and stay tuned. So don't mind the mess in the background. We're just finishing up this area of the house and it's probably never gonna get finished, but yeah. For my skin routine during the summertime, I like to make it really dewy, and I'm just going in with some Clean and Clear Morning Burst face lotion. I like this one because it is a gel moisturizer and it's hydrating. I have really dry skin, so this is perfect for me. I'm just gonna go in with some eye cream as well. This is Burt's Bees Hydration Eye Cream, Intense Hydration Eye Cream. So the face primer that I like to use for summertime is L'Oreal Magic Lumi Face Primer, and it is pretty much, it's called a light infusing primer. It is pretty much just like a highlighter for your face. So yeah, I just tap that on the big areas of my skin and then rub it in. To get my skin to look tanner than it does, I use this Maybelline New York tinted primer. So yes, I just put primer on and this is a tinted primer, but it's honestly more like, it feels like a moisturizer. It's kind of strange, but I just like to get the dewy skin before I tan up my face. So yeah, that's why I use both primers. This is the Gigi Hadid line from Maybelline. The one I have is in the shade light to medium, but this is very, very dark. I'll just give you a little swatch of it. It's really dark. That is how I make myself look tanner. I literally just use my hands because my fingers will spread out the product the most, and I don't want any places to like have more product or less product. I want it to be nice and even. So I just like hit basically where you would contour first, and then I put a little bit on the high points. I just don't like to apply too much to the high points of my face and rub it in. You really rub it like into your hairline, pull it up, brush it up and down, not just up and not just down, so that it doesn't like get stuck in the hairline and create like an orange tint just right there. Then I will go ahead and take it all on my neck and down my chest, whatever is showing, so that I don't look like a two-toned crazy woman. And I just use the same technique. Also, don't forget your ears if you're gonna have your ears showing. Even if you're not, like your ears will pop out sometime during the day. And yeah. If it was just a like no makeup day, I would honestly just use a little bit of sheer concealer, and then that's that. I would go about my day. But I am doing a full coverage face today, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do that with the more tan color. I'm going to use this Revlon Color Stay in the 110. And this has SPF 15 in it, which is great and really make your skin like ready to go outside. So I'm just going to apply this on my face with a beauty sponge. So if you're looking to be really tan, I would maybe just not apply foundation over it or get a darker foundation shade to go with it. I really do like the tinted primer because it evens out your skin tone, tans it up a little bit. Since I am going for a somewhat full coverage face today, I'm going to use my Tarte Shapetape in Fair Beige. And for this, I'm just going to conceal the under eyes and also apply it on the eyelids as an eyeshadow base. I also take a little bit on the nose and Cupid's bow, center of the chin, center of the forehead, and along there, under my contour, and where my nose gets really red. My face also gets red right there. It gets really red where it's not supposed to be, so I'm gonna do that as well. Set a look for the summertime, I just take my e.l.f. under eye setting powder and set the face with that. And I don't set every single part of my face, I just set like the areas that wrinkle and stuff like that, the areas that crease. Just a random powder, either my Laura Mercier or my Coty Airspun for my neck because my neck is looking kind of tan still and I don't want that. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a bit of contour and highlight to really finish that summer skin look. I use two contours. I use this Megaglo makeup stick from WetnWild. And I just apply it straight onto my face and gently blend it in with my fingers. And then I take this contour stick from LA Colors in medium on the sides of the forehead and a little bit up top, not too much to get down the nose. And I always do the little dimple on my chin, add a bit more to the cheekbones, and blend it all in with the finger yet again. Now the contour is all blended in nice and neat. I'm gonna apply some highlighter, and I always use a cream highlighter or a liquid highlighter. That is just my go-to. And then I put more highlighter on top, more powder highlighter on top of that. It's just how I do. So the the liquid highlighter that I've really been appreciating like this week is from Revolution, and it is Luminous Luna. This is like the definition of dew right here when you apply it. It looks so good. And you definitely don't need a lot of product with this. It comes with a dropper, but like if I actually use the dropper, it's almost too much highlight, if that's a thing. So I'm just applying it to the high points of my face, like that. And also, if you apply too much, it kind of rubs off your makeup and foundation and everything else you already put on. So yeah, that's why I don't do too much. And then I just tap it in with my fingers, if you can tell. From the Sleek Cosmetics Makeup Palette. It is Face Form in medium. No, I'm not a medium skin tone, thank you. I'm gonna use that shade right there as my blush. And I'm gonna take this giant fluffy brush from Flower Cosmetics. But it's freaking crazy. Okay, so this is what the finished skin looks like. I am going to apply a little bit of powder, the same e.l.f. under eye setting powder with my makeup sponge to my forehead. I just don't want to look shiny or greasy. Okay. So this is the finished skin. I am going to go ahead and apply everything else off camera, my brows, my eyeliner, my eyeshadow, my lips, everything else, and I will come back and show you the finished look. Alright guys, I had to put my hair up, it was just way too hot. But yeah, so this is how the finished look came out. I did add a little more highlighter and bronzer. I took the bronzer from my Lorax Tantalizwr duo, and then highlighter I took from this Sleek Cosmetics highlighting palette, and I did use this yellow tone and this pink tone. That palette is just a glaring, glowing palette. If you like highlighters, I highly suggest it. But yeah, so I added that, and then I powdered my face a little bit to mattify right here and the forehead just a little bit. And then I topped it off with some Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. I really do like that one for the summer glow because it actually does dewify your look. And I mean, I went like ham with that today and I sprayed it so much, and when I looked in the mirror, I was like, okay, did I just step out of the shower? Because that's what it looked like. But it did dry, of course, and it still looks extremely dewy. Like if you are into that super wet looking skin, that is definitely the setting spray for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on tan, summer, dewy, fresh, full-faced, full coverage skin. Let me know down below what products you like to use to tan up your face or to dewify it. I love dewy products, especially during summertime, so I'm always on the lookout for some dew in my life. Comment down below that. Go ahead and hit the like button if you liked this video, and if you really liked it, want to see more, subscribe and click that notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.